Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Springfest is now out and we are going to be playing in it. So I am going to go ahead and go to Lamplight Town. There are some to the main part of Lamplight Town just to show you it. And then I will show you some other stuff. So I'm not going to click on the Easter egg because that's for something later in the video. So if we press here and then do yes, we go to town square and there are carrots everywhere, meaning that Springfest has begun. So let's go ahead and click on this. And it says Springfest rewards. The Fox Knights and Bunny Bandits are both after the magical eggs. Follow the clues in Lamplight Town to find their camps and show support by shopping at their stores. Do battles during Springfest to earn magic eggs and unlock all new Springfest rewards. Find the magic egg piles somewhere in Lamplight Town every day to earn lots of magic eggs at once. So there are going to be some cool prizes like a hat, this pet that was leaked, and this buddy that was leaked. This one I really love and I hope that I can get it. Not sure what this one is. I haven't seen it, but let's go look at the rewards. So if we get 10 magic eggs, we get a flower crown. No, if we win 2 battles, we get magic eggs and flower crown. So I'm guessing this is for every single battle that we win. So it's going to take 8 days to complete this. So I really want to get this one, Flower Rush Mount. So that's going to be a mount, meaning that we can ride it and we're finally getting a new mount in the game. So let's go ahead and head over to the right. That person does have the mount on. It doesn't look that great. We're going to have to put on a fox or bandit hat, fox hat. I'm not sure why I said a bandit hat, but I did. Let's go ahead and put this on and go in here. So it does look like you can get the things all at once, so I guess I will do that. I'll battle like 10 battles. Don Zorro, let's talk to him. Okay. So I already bought a few things, but okay, yeah, I'm going to have to get some more eggs, but let's look at this. This is the Fox helmet stats. It has a heart bonus of 3, and about this helmet is only worn by the master warriors of the proud Fox Knights sworn to protect the land. So this looks alright. I will get this once I have enough enough eggs, which they did change the thing, which is pretty cool. Then if we go to furniture, I'm going to have to buy one of these because for some reason there's a glitch where I can only see one thing at a time. I'm going to definitely buy that catapult. And then there's also an item where you can morph into a fox. So we'll buy one of those. So now we are going to head over to the Bunny Bandit side. This is going to be very boring for me to do these battles, but I will do it because I want the stuff. And let's talk to Harriet Hood, see what she has. I know there will be a new hat, so let's look. Okay, this one looks pretty cool too. This is the Bunny Bandit hood, heart bonus of 3. The top Bunny Bandits wear this hood to hide their face as they sneak into the fox, hide their faces as they sneak into the Fox faction camp to try and steal their magic eggs. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to buy that once I get enough Easter eggs. There's some more stuff here since I bought this stuff. And then items, we have a bunny. So now I'm going to battle against, or I'm going to try and find one of the Easter eggs. Let's see if I can find them. And also I'm pretty sure that you can only get this mission stuff if you are a member. So if you want to do that, you'll have to get a membership. So there are the magic eggs. Let's go ahead and go over and battle with it. So we are going to be using my bad helmet that I'm wearing. This should be 6. Okay, so we got the answer right. And let's see how much we do. 4,686. So we are starting to get some spell power bonus, which is good. because that means we'll be more powerful. Let's see if we can get it out right here. Let's use an epic attack. So this will be 4. So we got it right. Okay, so here comes Magmischief and takes it out with 5,863. That is very powerful. And we will win the battle and get 10 Easter eggs. Okay, so it runs away and we have 1. Okay, so we did get our 10 magic eggs along with 200 coins from the member box. So that should give us 1 battle. Yep, there we go. So now we just have to win 7 more battles to get it. So yeah, this is going to be fun. Totally. Okay, so we just one-hit the Scally, which is pretty good. So we won the battle, and now we should get the flower hat. So we got an Easter egg, but we don't care about that. There we go. We just got the flower crowns, and if you remember, actually, you get 10 magic eggs, which I like, and they have some fireworks. Let's go ahead and put that on, and now we can get this. Oh man, this is going to take a while. So this video is getting pretty long. I'm going to go ahead and end it up, but I will be posting some shorts, so make sure to like and subscribe so that you won't miss out on those. They won't really be shorts, they will just be short videos, and yeah, bye.